I'm pretty sure you're all messing with me right now because last I heard this is how you fold a fitted sheet. No, that is not how we fold a fitted sheet. All right, come on. Grab your sheets. Let's do this. This is not rocket science. My college roommate's boyfriend, who was 40 years old while she was 17, taught me how to do this. Thank you, Darren. This is a life lesson I'll never forget. All right, your fitted sheet needs to be inside out. All of the outside corners need to be inside out. You're gonna stick your little hands inside of your sheet. You're gonna put your pointer finger, like this one, that's the pointer finger, into the corners of your sheet. Like so. It helps if you make this face. You're gonna take your fingers, touch them together, and flip it over on itself. All of these corners in here, right side in now. Now you're gonna take this and transfer it to this hand. So now this hand's free, this hand's inside. Take your hand, slide it across. So now what we have is a tangled mess. That's fine, just tuck it inside itself. See? So now it looks like this. We have our hands in the corners. Our hands are in the corners of all our sheets. I have a king size bed, this is huge. Do you see? Your hands are in the corners of your sheets. And it's essentially folded in half on itself. Are you with me? Okay, good. Now you're gonna take your fingers, you gotta do the face again, it's important. Ready? Touch them together, flip it over. You have all four corners of your fitted sheet. The right side is now out on this hand. Great, wonderful. Lay it down, flat surface. Preferably a bed. Most people I don't think have a kitchen counter this large. And you can see, your goal is to have all of your corners right here, and it's essentially a square. It's not a pretty square, but it's a square. We're gonna take one half and fold it in a third. You with me? One half, fold it in a third. Are we still on the same page here? You got it? Now, up. It is not the prettiest fitted sheet I have ever folded, but it's better than a crumpled up mess that you guys are doing. Get real.